Hello and welcome to D.Buzz, the microblog built on the Hive blockchain. Today we're going to be looking at the two different ways you can use the Buzz to Twitter feature. The first way is when you type out a new buzz itself. By clicking Buzz, you get the pop-up window and you can type any message you want. After you type your message, be sure to add those tags in that you might want. After you've typed in your tags, click the Buzz to Twitter tick box. This will enable the Buzz to Twitter feature to happen after you click the Buzz button. After you click Buzz, a pop-up window will appear. In it, you will see the text that you have typed. Please note that the hashtags you entered do not transfer, so you'll have to enter them again. However, whenever you are set, just click the tweet button and your tweet will go live. Let's look at the next way to send a Buzz to Twitter. The next way you could do a Buzz to Twitter is if you go to your profile page and you scroll down and you see a particular buzz that you like. In this case, it's the last one that we sent. When you click on it, you enter that buzz. Go along to the side where you see the three dots. By clicking the three dots, you'll get a pop-up window with the option of Buzz to Twitter. Upon clicking this, you'll get the Buzz to Twitter pop-up window. Here, once again, you could enter the hashtags that you wish to use, along with make any changes. Just click the tweet button and you're all set. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on Discord or leave a message in the comments below. Thank you and enjoy your time here on D.Buzz.